Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today I have some new molds from Resin. So these are moon phase molds, and in the set that I got, it came with two different sizes. So we have one here that is bigger, and we also have a second one that is smaller. For the first set, I'm going to be using some mica powder from Eye Candy. I'm going to be using Blue Blood and Dark Ocean Blue. On the smaller one, I'm going to use some new pigments that I just got from Color Obsession. So I'm going to be using Sapphire Blue and Classic Blue Shimmer. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start by making 100 ml of resin. These molds do not come with instructions, so I don't know how much they actually hold. Taking the clear resin, we're going to fill each of the cavities of the small mold. Taking the remaining resin, we're going to mix the blue pigments. Taking each color, we're going to pour in the zigzag line around the perimeter of the mold. With a toothpick, we're going to help spread the pigment towards the center. It's been about 12 hours and we are ready to demold. Here is the first one, the full moon. I think it looks really good. Here is the half moon. Here is the first crescent, and here's the last one. So I just realized that these moon pieces fits perfectly in my coaster molds, so we can actually turn them into coasters. Here I'm putting each of the pieces face down into the coaster mold. Then we'll pour clear resin into the mold to fill in the empty spaces. Now let's move on to the larger mold. Again, we're going to start with a layer of clear resin on the bottom. Then we're going to mix the resin with the mica pigments. Similar to the previous mold, we're going to pour in the zigzag line. Alright everyone, and we are done. So we have 4 coasters here representing 4 different phases of the moon. Here is the first one. This one is the full moon. So the full moon here, you can see both colors of the colors that I put in, the pigment paste. Here is the back. This one is the quarter moon. So the first quarter or maybe the third quarter. I think it depends on which direction you're looking at. I think this one is traditionally the first quarter. And then you turn it around. I think this one is the third quarter. So if I'm wrong, let me know down below in the comment section. Or maybe I just call it a half moon. And look how clear the other side is. Oh my goodness. This is the clearest I've ever seen my resin do. So this one is the crescent moon. I think there's two different types, the waning crescent and the waxing crescent. And I'm kind of getting this from the internet, so I'm not sure if I'm entirely correct on this. And I just love this other side. It's also completely clear. I don't really see any bubbles. That's really amazing. And this one is, I'm just gonna call it a tiny crescent. So this one just has a very tiny sliver of crescent just here on the side. This one has a little bit more bubble. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit scattered in the middle. Alright everyone, so here are all 4 coasters, the 4 phases of the moon that we have here. So what do you think of these coasters? Do you like them or do they look too weird with all this white space or this little negative space here? Alright, now let's go ahead and mold the bigger one. This one is the one made with mica powder. And the brighter color in the middle. In this set, the larger one has 3 crescents. Here's the first one. Here is number 2. And I'm just wearing gloves because I don't want too much of my fingerprints all over it. And here is the last crescent. Alright everyone, so which one do you like better? Do you like these larger ones that I am leaving as little crescents and a full moon, or do you like the ones that are turned into coasters? I kind of like these coaster ones because I find that they're more useful, but these, if you string them up with some chain, you can actually display them. So let me know down below in the comment section which ones you prefer, the large one or the smaller ones. And if you like this video and have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!